Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode, titled Breakthroughs in Computational Linguistics, AI that Understands Us, explores 20 cutting-edge papers published on July 26, 2025. We'll journey through the latest research themes spanning language, reasoning, fairness, and multimodality, with a special spotlight on the influential work by Lee and colleagues. Join us as we unveil how artificial intelligence is learning to speak, think, and even draw, all at the forefront of computational linguistics. Teaching computers to understand human language is far from trivial. While the average person speaks approximately 16,000 words per day, even the most advanced AI systems often struggle to comprehend a single sentence. Imagine attempting to explain a Shakespearean sonnet to a household appliance, or asking your refrigerator to summarize the news. Despite these challenges, virtual assistants are rapidly evolving, now capable of sensing user mood, interpreting colloquial language, and even generating visual responses in real time. This episode reveals the sophisticated mechanisms powering this conversational magic, providing a window into the complexities of machine language understanding. Computational linguistics stands at the intersection of human communication and machine intelligence. It is the key enabler for virtual assistants, automatic captions, and real-time translation tools that permeate daily life. Recent research in the field addresses critical challenges such as logical reasoning, fairness, and computational efficiency. Today's discussion traces the journey from scaling language models for practical use to embedding ethical considerations in language AI, setting the stage for the next generation of intelligent, human-centric systems. Envision computational linguistics as the master chef of artificial intelligence, blending the precision of computer science with the subtlety of linguistics. Just as a chef guides a robot to not only follow recipes, but also invent new dishes and adapt to available ingredients, computational linguistics equips machines to translate languages, summarize texts, moderate online content, and analyze sentiment. This discipline underpins accessibility innovations, global communications, and expert support across domains. Rapid progress is driven by deep learning and large language models, which continue to expand the capabilities and reach of language technologies. A central research theme is scalability, enabling powerful language models to operate efficiently in mobile or real-time environments. The work by Lee et al. Introduces FAEDKV, a method that acts as a master organizer for a model's memory through advanced compression techniques. By leveraging frequency domain approaches, these methods mitigate biases and allow models to maintain longer conversations or process extended documents without the need for extensive hardware resources. This is akin to tacking everything needed for a year-long journey into a single suitcase, making sophisticated AI widely accessible. Reasoning and long-form generation represent another frontier in computational linguistics. Reinforcement learning now guides models toward producing logical, coherent outputs, while curriculum learning techniques allow them to build skills progressively, from simple tasks to complex multi-step reasoning. Modern models are capable of solving advanced mathematical problems, composing structured essays, and providing step-by-step explanations for proofs. Training strategies focus on the most challenging segments, ensuring efficient learning by bypassing information the model already masters. This is comparable to a tutor helping students conquer marathon academic tasks. Specialized datasets, multimodal capabilities, and fairness are vital for broadening AI's utility. Nguyen and colleagues present VLQA, facilitating expert-level legal AI for the Vietnamese language. New benchmarks are emerging for medical exams, sentiment analysis, and data visualization, enabling models to generate charts and infographics from text. Attention-based debiasing methods align model focus across diverse inputs, promoting fairness without degrading performance. This approach is similar to training a chef for world cuisines, recognizing that context and specificity are essential for effective, ethical AI. Recent breakthroughs span scalability, reasoning, domain adaptation, and ethical alignment. FadeKV, developed by Li et al., compresses model memory, reduces recency bias, and enhances computational efficiency. Reinforcement learning empowers models to excel in long-form reasoning and multi-step tasks. The VLQA dataset from Nguyen et al. Enables accurate AI-driven responses to Vietnamese legal queries. Attention-based debiasing ensures equitable model behavior without sacrificing fluency or coherence. Each advance encapsulates a narrative of challenge, innovation, and tangible impact. The featured paper of the day, presented by Li and collaborators, addresses a critical limitation in large language models, the key-value cache bottleneck. Traditional solutions either introduced bias, favoring recent context, or necessitated costly retraining. FadeKV employs an infinite window Fourier transform to compress memory, ensuring every segment of conversation, regardless of position, is given equal consideration. Drawing inspiration from music. This technique translates the context into harmonious frequencies, fundamentally enhancing model memory management. FadeKV's technical contribution centers on projecting the key-value cache into the frequency domain, similar to decomposing musical chords into individual notes. Through frequency ablation, the method identifies which spectral components are most informative at each model layer. Layer-wise compression then preserves essential information throughout extended conversations. Notably, FadeKV operates without retraining, making it compatible with any existing model architecture. On benchmarks such as Longbench and Needle in a Haystack, this approach improves performance by up to 22% compared to prior techniques. The motivation behind FadeKV stemmed from a desire to overcome memory constraints in language models. By applying principles from signal processing, the team uncovered new optimization pathways. This innovation makes real-time, on-device AI applications viable, even with limited memory. FadeKV embodies interdisciplinary creativity, merging mathematical insight with engineering practicality. The success of this approach paves the way for future advances in frequency-inspired artificial intelligence memory management. Looking ahead, today's language models can be compared to bright students, eager to learn but still growing in reasoning and memory. Incorporating frequency domain strategies may initiate new efficiency revolutions. Reinforcement and curriculum learning could nurture agentic models capable of creative collaboration. However, ensuring inclusion and fairness in datasets remains a moral imperative. The future of AI, much like constructing a flourishing city, depends on empowering all users and fostering an environment where every individual benefits. In summary, computational linguistics is rapidly enhancing the human-like and ethical qualities of artificial intelligence. Advances in memory management, logical reasoning, domain-specific datasets, and fairness, exemplified by the work of Li et al. And Nguyen et al., are driven by the stories and creativity of researchers worldwide. The journey continues, with each question and contribution from the community capable of sparking the next major breakthrough. Engage with the research and play a role in shaping the evolving landscape of AI. This presentation was synthesized using GPT 4.1 by OpenAI, with TTS rendering provided by OpenAI and visuals designed via Google Image Tools. All content underwent expert human review to ensure clarity and accuracy, though minor oversights may persist. For comprehensive details and technical depth, please consult the cited papers. Throughout this episode, all referenced research is attributed to lead authors and their teams, as indicated. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.